Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Chris Designs. Um, I want to talk about Figma. Okay, so Figma is a cloud-based design and prototyping tool used for creating user interfaces and user experience. It allows users to design websites, mobile apps, wireframes, prototype, and UI components directly in the browser. Okay, so unlike traditional design tools, Figma is collaborative, meaning multiple users can work on the same file in real time. It combines design, prototyping, and developer handoff in a single platform, making it popular among UI UX designers, product teams, and developers. Also, it works on any operating system, be it Windows, Mac OS, Linux, because it runs in the browser, right? And it's also available as a desktop version.